Discover the power of nutrition as we unveil the must-have foods for maintaining a healthy and well-rounded diet. Get ready to nourish your body and boost your well-being. Let's dive in. 3 key foods for a balanced diet. Leafy greens. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, leafy greens like spinach and kale support digestion, boost immunity, and promote strong bone. Lean proteins. Chicken, fish, tofu, and legumes provide essential amino acids for muscle growth, repair, and a healthy metabolism. Choose lean options to keep saturated fat intake in check. Whole grains. Brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are fiber-rich options that regulate blood sugar, aid in weight management, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Remember, a balanced diet includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Nourish your body with these key foods and thrive. Subscribe now for more tips, tricks, and expert advice on optimizing your diet.